Let's talk logging. It's a tough job, no doubt, and it can be dangerous, especially if you don't respect the tools. Chainsaws, for example, are incredibly powerful. They can fell a tree in minutes, but they demand respect. One wrong move, and it's game over. That's why protective gear is non-negotiable. Helmet, chaps, gloves, boots, the works. Every time, complacency kills. I've seen it firsthand. You get comfortable, let your guard down, and that's when accidents happen. Treat every cut like it's your first. Stay sharp, stay safe. Logging isn't a one-man show. It takes a team, especially when you're talking big timber. And these days, cranes are changing the game. Cranes bring a whole new level of safety and efficiency to the job. They lift and move massive logs with ease, minimizing the risk of injury. Plus, they reduce the strain on loggers. It's a beautiful thing to watch a well-coordinated team use a crane to extract timber. Precision and power working together. Stumps are the stubborn leftovers of logging, but even these guys don't stand a chance against modern technology. We're talking about forced mowers with carbide blades. These machines chew through stumps like they're butter. They turn that tough wood into mulch in no time. Stump grinders are another great tool. They grind away the stump below ground level, making the area safe and ready for replanting. When it comes to professional logging, a good chainsaw is worth its weight in gold. Take the Steel 462 for example. It's a beast of a machine built for power and precision. But even with a top-of-the-line chainsaw, safety is paramount. Always wear your protective gear. Maintain your saw meticulously. A sharp chain is a safe chain. And never underestimate the importance of proper training. Knowing how to handle a chainsaw correctly can save your life. DIY logging, when homemade tools meet safety first. In this segment, we delve into the world of do-it-yourself logging, where creativity meets practicality. Now, not everyone's running a commercial logging operation. Many people prefer to handle smaller logging tasks on their own, using tools they've crafted themselves. Some folks like to tackle smaller jobs themselves. They find joy and fulfillment in the process of creating and using their own tools. And you know what? I respect that. There's a unique sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing a project through from start to finish, especially when it involves tools you've made with your own hands. There's a certain satisfaction that comes with using your own two hands to get the job done. Homemade log splitters, wedges, and other tools can be incredibly effective when used correctly. And cant hooks can be surprisingly effective. These tools, though simple, can make a big difference in the efficiency and ease of your logging tasks. But here's the thing. Safety doesn't take a holiday just because you're working on a smaller scale. The same rules apply whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. Gear up, use common sense, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Safety gear is essential, even for the smallest of tasks. Helmets, gloves, and sturdy boots can protect you from potential hazards. It's not just about having the right tools, it's about using them safely. Always inspect your homemade tools before use to ensure they're in good condition. Look for any signs of wear and tear, and make necessary repairs or replacements. A well-maintained tool is a safe tool. Proper technique is also crucial. Take the time to learn the best practices for using your tools. This not only makes the job easier, but also reduces the risk of injury. Remember, safety is a continuous process. Stay vigilant and always be aware of your surroundings. Clear the area of any obstacles that could cause accidents. Keep your workspace tidy and organized. This simple step can prevent many common accidents, and don't forget the value of teamwork. Having a partner can make the job safer and more enjoyable. They can help you with heavy lifting, provide an extra set of eyes for safety, and share in the satisfaction of a job well done. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, remember that safety is paramount. Embrace the challenge of DIY logging, but do it with caution and care. At the end of the day, the goal is to enjoy the fruits of your labor without any injuries. Take pride in your work, but always prioritize safety. After all, the best projects are those that are completed safely and successfully. So gear up, stay safe, and happy logging. Hydraulic helpers, moorbark shears, and efficient debris removal. Let's talk about cleaning up after a logging operation. It's a big job, but luckily we've got some powerful tools at our disposal. One of my favorites is the moorbark talon debris shear. This hydraulic beast can handle everything from branches and logs to stumps and roots. It grabs, cuts, and clears debris with incredible speed and power. These machines make quick work of what used to be back-breaking labor. They're a testament to how far logging technology has come. Heavy lifting MTZ tractors and firewood processing power. You've felled the trees, cleared the debris, and now you've got a mountain of logs to deal with. Time to bring in the heavy hitters. Tractors like the MTZ 82. These workhorses can haul massive loads of timber with ease. They're also incredibly versatile, with attachments for everything from log splitting to firewood processing. Speaking of firewood, there are now machines that can take a log from whole to perfectly split and stacked firewood in minutes. It's amazing to see. Safety first, last and always. Gear, training, and responsibility. I can't say this enough, safety is paramount in logging. Every day loggers face numerous risks, from falling trees to dangerous machinery. It's a profession that demands respect for the tools and the environment. From the moment you pick up a chainsaw to the final cleanup, you need to be aware of your surroundings and potential hazards. This means constantly scanning the area for any signs of trouble, whether it's a weak tree branch overhead or uneven ground underfoot. Invest in high-quality protective gear and wear it religiously. This includes helmets, gloves, boots, and eye protection. Each piece of equipment serves a critical role in keeping you safe. Helmets protect against falling debris, gloves provide a better grip and protect your hands, boots offer stability and protect your feet, and eye protection shields your eyes from flying particles. Get proper training on every piece of equipment you use. This isn't just about knowing how to operate a chainsaw or a logging truck, it's about understanding the potential dangers and how to mitigate them. Training sessions often cover everything from basic operation to advanced techniques, ensuring that you are prepared for any situation. And never be afraid to speak up if you see something unsafe. Communication is key in logging. If you notice a potential hazard, alert your team immediately. This proactive approach can prevent accidents before they happen. Remember, it's better to be overly cautious than to regret not saying something later. Logging is hard work, but it doesn't have to be dangerous. By following safety protocols and working together as a team, we can minimize risks. Teamwork is essential. It ensures that everyone is looking out for each other. When everyone is vigilant, the chances of accidents decrease significantly. With the right approach, we can keep ourselves and our fellow loggers safe. This means not only adhering to safety guidelines, but also fostering a culture of safety. Encourage your peers to prioritize safety, share best practices, and continuously look for ways to improve. Safety is a collective responsibility, and together, we can create a safer working environment for everyone involved in logging. Simple tools, big impact. Appreciating the efficiency of basics. We've talked a lot about big machinery, but let's not forget the importance of simple tools. A well-maintained axe, a sturdy peavey, and a good pair of work gloves, these are the unsung heroes of logging. While modern machinery can handle large-scale operations with speed and efficiency, there's something uniquely satisfying about using traditional tools. These tools may not be flashy, but they're reliable, efficient, and often all you need for smaller jobs. The axe, for instance, has been a fundamental tool for centuries. Its design has remained largely unchanged because it works so well. The peavey, with its simple yet effective mechanism, allows loggers to move heavy logs with precision and control. And let's not forget the work gloves. They protect your hands from splinters, blisters, and the elements, making your work not only safer, but also more comfortable. These tools may not be flashy, but they're reliable, efficient, and often all you need for smaller jobs. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from mastering the use of these traditional logging tools. When you swing an axe and feel it bite into the wood, or when you use a peavey to roll a log into place, you're connecting with a long history of logging traditions. These tools require skill and practice to use effectively, and mastering them can be a source of pride and accomplishment. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from mastering the use of these traditional logging tools. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it well, with precision and care. Traditional tools also offer a level of control that can be hard to achieve with larger machinery. You can feel the wood, understand its grain, and make adjustments on the fly. This hands-on approach can lead to a deeper appreciation of the materials you're working with and the environment you're working in. So next time you're out in the woods, take a moment to appreciate the power and efficiency of both modern and traditional logging tools. Each has its place and purpose. Modern machinery can handle large-scale operations and make quick work of tasks that would take much longer with hand tools. But traditional tools offer a level of precision and control that can be invaluable for certain jobs. They also connect us to the history and heritage of logging, reminding us of the skills and techniques that have been passed down through generations. And remember, whether you're a seasoned logger or a weekend warrior, safety always comes first. Proper safety gear, including helmets, gloves, and boots, is essential. Make sure your tools are well maintained and in good working order. Take the time to learn proper techniques and always be aware of your surroundings. Logging can be dangerous work, but with the right tools and a focus on safety, it can also be incredibly rewarding. So, appreciate the efficiency of the basics, respect the tools, and stay safe out there.